Miki, Taeao, thank you. Welcome to the show.
Malu, thank you for having me.
How are you, brother?
I'm very well, thank you. It's been an exciting time releasing the movie, so we're very thankful and we're very happy we finally got it out.
Wow, okay. So how long did it take you to write the script?
Probably took about 3 or 4 years to write the script. So it took a long time of development, and then it took probably another 3 years.
Wow.
To finish completely making the film. So sort of 6 or 7 years all up. So a long time of commitment trying to get the film made.
Yeah, okay. Let's talk about the name you named the film, Tinā. What is behind the name of the film?
Well, you know, as all Samoans know, Tinās are a very important part of our lives.
Yeah.
They're our leaders, they're our mentors, they're our guardians, and they're also our teachers. They're the ones who nurture us all through our youth and inspire us and teach us how to, stand on our own 2 feet. So I wanted to do a movie that paid tribute to that, but it's also the symbolic name, Tinā, and what that means. In our community and what it can mean for other communities if we just embraced the love and the care that our mothers have inspired all of us, and they've done that quietly in the background, and I think that our character in our movie does that quietly in the background as well. She inspires a new generation.
Right. Okay, Miki, tell us, there are some challenging themes that surround the film, like loss, suicide. What made you, what made you or gave you the spark to talk about these themes?
Well, I think it's a challenge that we all go through. And, the movie does touch on a lot of those themes. But if I'm honest, it's just what we go through in life, isn't it? Especially,
true.
I'm coming to the age now, I'm in my 40s, going into my 50s now, and no one sort of told me in and around that time, your parents start to get sick.
Right.
Your siblings and your friends all start to show signs of challenges that they have to face. And so there's a lot of us, myself included, who go through all of this stuff all at one time. Yeah. It's not like it used to be when we were protected when we were younger from seeing all of this stuff. And now I'm in an age now where, I have brothers, I have friends and cousins who go through depression, have been through the issues of mental health and challenges. And then I also have parents who are going through health challenges. So we all have these in our lives now. It's not unusual that we have multiple things in our lives that we have to face. And that's just reflected in the film. So there are lots of those themes in the film, but I think we all go through them.
O aisa support Malu siya oe ile tong whainga mai ole script male tuwhatasinga ole ata. Where did you get the support from? Your parents, your brothers, the whānau? Where did you get the support from?
Everybody, we are a tight-knit family. So it's important that your home really supports you, especially when you go on a journey this long and you don't get paid or any money while you're doing it. So you need the support of your family. My parents and my brothers and my partner and my son, all of the family chimed in at some place to either give me encouragement or ideas or support during that time. So everybody chimed in.
Yeah. Okay, Miki, I didn't have time. I will very soon. But what I'm trying to say, I mean, te leo o wo maainga wa umana matamata tofu umana tu malangona fia o langona o nisina tutulu pe tangil te leata for lele. So, for the parents and the young ones, ele matamata leata, what is in there? For our
parents, there is values that they know well, that they brought us up in. So I think they'll enjoy the movie because they'll recognize a lot of our traditional values there that I've tried to put into the movie.
Yeah.
And there's also a lot of music for them to enjoy that they wouldn't have seen before.
Yeah.
For our younger audiences, there's a bit of comedy in there. Hopefully they can enjoy and sing along to some of the music they know well. And then there's just strong messages of hope afterwards coming out of the thing. I hope everybody can be proud of it. You know, we've tried to make it a film for everyone, and we've tried to also put in some of our traditional values that they recognize, and hopefully they'll enjoy the journey once they watch the movie.
Yeah. Okay. So, Miki, what do you hope Tinā can give to all of our Samoan community, Pacific community, younger generation, and our Tinā and our Tama?
Well, for our older generation, I hope they can be proud of what we're doing and the sacrifices that they made to raise us in this country.
Yeah.
For our younger generation, I hope it opens doors. You know, it's really, really difficult to make these movies, and especially to get them funded. You know, not many organizations will fund fully traditional stories. And so what I'm trying to do is create a pathway so that they can look at our stories more, and that they can see that not only our people will watch these, but everybody will watch these, so that they can fund more and more stories for the next generation and the younger people who come after me, to give them a pathway to make these stories, because I think we are good traditional storytellers, and people will enjoy our stories.
Okay, Miki, to tele of friends and whanau, you know, fia yalanto e pese Samoa tono leanta the culture, buying for pena. Why did you think it wanted to fantasy buying a pese Samoa, Pacifica, and the culture in tono movie, Tinā?
Well, I mean, I grew, you know, I enjoy that music. I grew up with that music, and I wanted to, I wanted to hear that in a movie and showcase that in a movie. And I've been so thrilled to see videos and hear stories about all our older generation going along, being in the movie theater and singing all the peses while it's on in the movie. And I've seen videos of our elders dancing in the aisles and celebrating the songs that they know well. So, you know, I enjoy listening to it, and I hope everybody else can enjoy hearing it up on the big screen, because it's very rare that we get that opportunity.
Okay, Miki, I'm aware that Mother's Day is not far away from today. For all the Tinā of Yatunu, what's your encouragement for them? Go and watch the movie and learn from it?
Well, I think I would never try and teach my mum anything, so I won't try and teach our mothers. But I will say that hopefully you can go and enjoy it, have a laugh, have a good cry, and get your kids to spoil you. Get them to get you some ice cream and some popcorn. Look after you, take you to a movie, and then really spoil you on that day.
Okay. Well, talking about the young ones, Miki, and even our Matua, our Tama and Tinā, if they want to get into the film industry,
there should be nothing holding you back. You just go and do it. There are so many avenues to get into the film industry now. Our kids now, they shoot everything on their phones. They are already filmmakers. So begin there, and then there's lots of other avenues like working on set, find people you know, connect. I started at the bottom. I just made coffees and I made food for people, and I went and kept on doing that and pursued it. So there's lots of different avenues. There's film schools now that they can go to, and just be persistent, be passionate, keep going. You can do it. I did it, so I encourage our youth to be fearless when they do it.
Right. Okay. Before I let you go, what's next? What's next? Is this a movie in French?
Oh, I would love to shoot a movie in Samoa.
Yeah?
That would be
That would be nice.
yes.
Yeah, that would be
That would
nice.
be really nice.
Yeah,
I would love
yeah.
to come back and shoot a story based in Samoa.
Yeah.
And really showcase the homeland and the people, and just keep getting our stories out there.
Yeah.
Keep highlighting the strength of who we are as a culture, who we are as a people, and just continuously try and get that fly that Samoan flag internationally.
Okay, Miki Magasiva, from all of us here in Radio Samoa, whawhetai tele lava, congratulations, well done uso. Whawhetai tele mo le taimile nei Taeao.
Taeao.
Whawhetai lava.